Carpe diem. Now, most of you must be knowing the meaning of it, or I don't know, like, that means seize the day. I've been so obsessed with this entire concept of death कि सब मर जाएंगे, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा, क्यों मैं कुछ भी करूँ and stuff, and I landed up with this explanation that you should give your best for whatever the time that you have. And I landed across this poem of Walt Whitman. I was watching the trailer of this movie, Dead Poet Society or something. Yeah, I still gotta watch that movie. But in there, I heard these lines of Walt Whitman, and I do not remember the lines though. But it had something. The crux of it was कि अभी जितने mathematicians, scientists, everything is useful, yes, but आपका, if you are a poet, if you are a writer, and that's the only time that you have, तो आपका वो छोटा सा कुछ लाइंस क्या होंगी जो आप सोसाइटी को देना चाहोगे जितने टाइम में आप अभी यहाँ पर हो. And that just touched me, like what will your phrase be if you're dying maybe, and that's the only thing that you have, the only slot that you're supposed to give to the world. And I रियलाइज कि ये सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ, बल्कि बहुत लोग ऐसे सोच चुके हैं जो फ्लास से एग्जाम्पल ले चुके हैं कि थोड़ी सी जिंदगी है और उसमें तुम जितना कुछ कर पाओ सोसाइटी के लिए, जितना कुछ कर पाओ जियो, उसको फुल पार जियो, जो करना है वो करो, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली डेथ विल कम, अल्टीमेटली एवरीथिंग विल बी ओवर फॉर यू एंड मे बी यू विल चेंज योर फॉर्म, बट नॉनदलेस द एंटिटी दैट यू हैव प्रेजेंटली वोंट बी द सेम एंड यू गॉट टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. So yeah, I am through with that obsession. I want to do so much. I had been having so many dreams, but yeah, I'm all the more dedicated to them. Yeah, so now that I've realized it, I want to convey the same to all of you, whoever watches my videos and gets inspired with them, or just a thought for all of you, like, dude, it's a very short life. And that's what we have, and we gotta make the most of it. We gotta live it to its level most, and life has the capacity to be extraordinary. It has been extraordinary for me. मैं इतनी जगह ट्रैवल करके, इतनी सारी खूबसूरत जगहों को देखकर, इतनी सारी एक्सपीरियंसेस करके जो मैंने कभी सोचे ही नहीं थे, like they will come in my life, right? I mean, okay, I'll tell you personally, right? So I'm a literature student, okay, and while I was studying, I never thought I'll enter corporate world or I'll travel so much. Yeah, I just wanted to be a lecturer. That was my aim. And yeah, after doing my post-graduation, I thought, like, no, I don't want this. I don't know if it's a cheap work that I'm doing. Do I really want it, or is it something else that I am capable of or I can do? Like, let me just step outside. So yeah, I stepped outside. I left the city I was living in, and I went like far off to another city, beginning all afresh, where I didn't know anyone. I had not taken help from anyone, and I just went there and I gave my career a break. Yeah, and I traveled around and I learned so many things. Like I learned writing, I learned painting, it just happened. I didn't know, like, I knew so much, yeah, and it just happened, like it was somewhere inside my system, and it's like a seed in the, जैसे ज़मीन में एक बीज उगा हुआ हो और उसको राइट एटमॉस्फेयर, राइट कंडीशंस नहीं मिल रही हो, अचानक उसको वो सब मिल जाए, वही राइट अमाउंट ऑफ सनलाइट, वाटर एंड ब्रीज, लव, एवरीथिंग, एंड देन सडनली द सीड ग्रोज अप इनटू अ फुल पावर प्लांट, एंड that's what happened with me. I got into acrylic painting. Yeah, that's one of my paintings, by the way, in the background. Okay, I'll show you one second. Yeah, I've been really proud of this painting. See, I didn't know I was capable of it, yeah. And yeah, so I got into acrylic painting. I went riding. The first time I saw myself, I felt like, oh fuck, I'm riding a bike, and like with that speed, and I was able to manage with the rest of my group, right, with the same speed, with like even in the same traffic, and fuck, it was such an experience for me, such an enthralling experience. The way I traveled around, I never expected. Aaj tak, I never planned my trips. Never planned which are the places I want to go to. I mean, I do have wishes, yes, everybody has them. Yeah, I have places that I want to visit sometime. But yeah, जिन जगहों पे मैं जब भी गई मैंने कभी कुछ प्लान नहीं किया. इट वॉज नेवर अ प्लान ट्रिप कि चलो यहाँ चलते हैं, एक महीने से मैंने कुछ पैकेज ले रखा है या कुछ प्लान कर रखा है, लोगों को बोल रखा है. इट ऑलवेज हैपेंस स्पॉन्टेनियसली, राइट? एंड आई जस्ट seized it. I just went for it. I never said no. I had always been a yes girl कि मौका आया ट्रैवल, आई नेवर से नो. किसी ने पूछा चलना है, चलो. पता चला ये जगह, पता चला अभी मौका है, अभी मेरे पास पैसे है, अभी मेरे पास जाने का टाइम है, ओके लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो. Every time I landed up with such awesome experience that I felt like where from it come from, where from it, how come it happened to me? I never expected it, I never planned it, yeah. And after so many travels, yeah, I became like, my dreams grew more into travel. Right now I just want to travel around the world, and I don't want any attachments, I don't want any connections to stop me, right? Like do this, do that. Yeah, I want to just travel around. But yeah, I live for the moment, yeah, and I love it this way. Like suddenly everything seems like a surprise gift if you live for the moment. अगर मैं सिर्फ आज के लिए जीती हूँ कि अभी let's do this will make me happy, or let's do this will make someone I love happy, and that gives me happiness, and that makes my day the best today, yeah. It's like okay, my Facebook profile has been disabled, I don't know why, nonetheless. So Facebook taught me a lot, right? And the timeline concept, like, okay, I've been really active on Facebook for like past 7 years, and after every year you see, okay, this timeline concept is a new thing जहाँ पर आपको पुराने memories, basically the memories come up, right? And every morning it was like more of my habit to see, okay, what happened, what was I doing 1 year back, 2 years back. And the best part was, like, I saw myself in different places every year, like 7 साल 7 जगहें kind, yeah, and with different people, with different experiences, and I felt so motivated every time I saw those memories. It was just an inspiration. It used to make me happy. And that's how the life will be. Okay, Facebook timeline is an abstract thing, is a technology thing, is not real, right? It's virtual at the end of the day. But at the end of your life, imagine that. Like, I have heard कि जब कोई इंसान मरने वाला होता है उसको लास्ट के 10 कुछ 1 मिनट में या कुछ सेकेंड्स, राइट, द एंटायर लाइफ स्पैन it just goes like a picture skew in the mind, right? I don't know when I'll die, what will happen. I haven't died obviously, yeah, but yeah, I've heard this, right, कि जब कोई मरता है तो उसको पूरी जिंदगी उसने जो जिया, एक मेन इम्पोर्टेंट उसके पिक्चर्स ऐसे दिमाग में दिखते हैं, राइट? तो imagine that. Like, do you want to waste your life and have that kind of movie of your life, or you want it to be full part, like you lived it fully, you lived your dreams? I don't want any regret in my life towards the end or at any point of life. So I learned, like, I want to live each and every moment. I want to make the most out of it, want to be with the people that I love, want to do the things that I want to do, and want to live my dreams, want to make them all true. And that's what you should as well do. I mean, we have a very short span of life. It just goes away like that, right? School 12-13 साल, when you are living it, you don't realize it, right? But it just keeps passing by, right? I mean, it just keeps passing by. You won't even realize कब 1 साल गुजर गया, 2 साल गुजर गए. Some people keep waiting. I got into this shell for a portion of my life. I also was waiting for something huge, right? Waiting for, like, no, I want only that, not this, and nah, I won't go for it. It's, for me, I've been a kind of person, like, it's either the thing that I want or I don't want it at all. I've been very stubborn that way. I still am. I can't help it, right? But yeah, nonetheless, to appreciate every moment, to appreciate whatever has been given to you is a beautiful thing, and understand that whatever we get, हमें जो भी मिलता है, that is good for us. At the end of the day, when you join, you connect the dots, you're gonna realize that is what was better for you. Maybe what we desire is lesser than what we get. Maybe what we desire is something different from what is actually necessary or useful for us. So it is important to value and appreciate whatever we attain, whatever we get, whatever cosmos blesses us with. Nonetheless, be strong and be determined to what we want to have, and somehow create that balance. Like, I'll be happy with whatever I'm given. Nonetheless, if I have something like rule specific, I want that, then I'll make the most out of it. I'll do whatever, but I'll get it. I'll get it. I need to have this faith inside that I will get it. And that is what is essential. That is what is Carpe Diem. Seize the day. Like, full power, get out and do what you want to do. Don't just sit back, wait for the right opportunity or the right people or the right moment, right? कि ये कुछ होगा तभी तो मैं जागूंगा, तभी तो मैं खुश होऊंगा, तभी तो ये होगा वो होगा. No, that will never happen. What is important is right now, get up, grow up, see कि अब मेरे पास क्या क्या है, be resourceful about it. ये सब है, मुझे इससे ये करना है, मुझे यहाँ पहुँचना है. This is what I want to do in my life, and that is how I do it. And if you don't have that, if you cannot understand, you cannot figure out, like there are times, there are situations like you don't see a way out, right? कि यार कुछ हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. Situations you सही नहीं है, सर्कमस्टांसेस सही नहीं है, लोग हेल्पफुल नहीं है, कितना भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, लक इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग मी, आई हैव इनफ रिसोर्सेज, आई हैव इनफ ऑफ एवरीथिंग, like I'm efficient enough, nonetheless the opportunity is not hitting on my door. What to do? Then what is necessary is to have faith in yourself, is to have faith in what you want, and to be happy about it nonetheless, not to lose your hope, not to lose your faith, and at the same time keep working towards your goals, keep working towards your dreams, and have this faith inside. Carpe diem, seize the day, just believe in yourself and believe in the day, right? Whatever is happening is an important and crucial step towards your destination. It will take you to your dream, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, maybe some other day, but yeah, you gotta have this faith. You can't just lose it all. You can't just keep waiting for something. You can't just keep अपने औजार डालकर बैठ नहीं सकते हो. You gotta keep creating something or the other towards your dream. You gotta keep taking, even if it's an iota of step towards your destination, it still counts because it's still a progress. So keep doing that. Keep focusing on every step. Carpe diem, seize the day. See ya, mystical wanderer. Right now, really happy with myself. I am quite happy with the day, with this realization, with this moment. Yeah. Okay, this is the first time I'm remembering to say it. Yeah, if you're liking my videos, please drop a comment. Let me know if you want me to talk about a certain topic, because I run out of topics most of the times. I can talk otherwise, yeah. If you're liking these videos, please let me know so that I can keep going on with these videos. And let's just share, let's just interact for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of humankind, like to grow the best possible way and to make the most out of our lives. See ya, off I go. Bye.